Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to change your Minecraft username. Okay, so the first thing that you will need to do is to open your Minecraft launcher, okay, and then navigate to the settings at the bottom left corner of your screen, and then click on accounts. Okay, so here is your Microsoft accounts and your Mojang account. Now click on these three dots here and then click on Manage Minecraft Java Edition Profile. Okay, so when you click that, you will be able to see this page and then you will just have to sign in with your Microsoft account. So you will just have to tap on that and then you'll be able to see this. Now tap on the profile name. Okay, in this Java edition, so this one, the profile name, you will just have to click on that one, and then you'll be able to see here your current Java profile name. So all you have to do is to change that, and then remember that you can only change your username every 30 days. So make sure that you are going to input a username that you want because you can only change that after 30 days. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.